Hello everybody, Toby here again with the 216 Auto Restoration, 1972 GMC Suburban. If you've been following along, last video I think I did, I had it in the booth, put primer on it, and so I got all the primer on, got good 4 coats of primer on the areas that I did the welding and the patch panels. Try to show you here. And so I did guide coat it, and I put the guide coat on, I block sanded it. It took me about 3 full days to block sand this all out. It's looking really good. Got a couple spots. It said using guide coat. This is what it helps to do. Shows you the little bit of a low spot right there I got to fix. But actually it came out really good. Got another little spot down here. Didn't miss too much. And I did get the rest of the windows pulled out, except for these buggers here. Still scared about doing that. There's only one place that I found that makes this the seal, and it's very expensive. It's like I think it was about 150 bucks a side for a seal, and I just got it ordered today. Actually, I want to get it in and make sure that it's gonna be exactly what they say before I pull those windows out, and I don't have a seal to put them back in. So yeah, once I get them seals in, I just lay them up there to make sure they're the right size and everything. Then I'll go ahead and pull those windows out. I got the rear window out, and of course discovery work. I got it out. Of course you can see here there's quite a bit of rust here. So this was all ate out. So I should have did a video on that, because I got to use my brake and I got to use my bender and stretcher to make all these new pieces along here. So I got that taken care of, and I got the rest of all of this blue sanded all around here. Up in this area, got almost all of that old paint off of there. A couple little spots underneath where the trim was sitting. Got to get some primer on that. This is all blocked out. It looks really good. Of course, it's dusty. And I'm getting ready to pull the seats out now, because I'm gonna, after contemplating for quite a while, I decided to pull the seats out. They're actually in really good shape. If you've seen any of the videos I did on when I cleaned them with that LA Awesome cleaner, it worked really good. This one's already loose, ready to pull out. And those bolts were so tight, I snapped one off trying to get them out. Had to put air on them because they were just unbelievable, even after heating them and hitting them, and they just wouldn't come out. But anyways, I'm getting them. So it's coming along really good. What I'm going to do that I've decided is I'm going to go ahead and spray the whole inside of the vehicle. So I'm going to get the seats out, and I'm going to get the carpet out, and all the headliner and the rest of the panels out. It's going to be a little bit bigger job than I wanted to do. I was not really wanting to paint the interior of it because it's in such really good shape. But I decided what I was going to do. I was going to go with the original GM. It's just called the dark blue. So what I did is I got online and I found House of Color. I'm going to use House of Color paint on this vehicle, and I'm going to use House of Color True Blue, which is a pearl base coat. It's really close to the original color. It's really close, but it's got a little bit of pearl in it, so it's going to give a little bit of a pop. So that's what I'm going to go with, the House of Color True Blue. And so that's going to require me to paint everything and probably put a new dash pad in, and down the rabbit hole we go. But anyways, there you have it. quick video of the progress on the Suburban. It looks really good. It's very straight. Really good. I gotta pull this off and fix this. Got the whole hood, I got the whole roof, I should say, box sanded yesterday. And looks really good. Rearranged my garage a little bit because I'm starting to move my stuff out and over to my new shop, and that's what I'm actually going to do today, I hope. We'll see how things go. I'm going to get them seats out, get the carpet out and whatnot. And once I get that done, leave the driver's seat in so I can drive it. I'm going to move it over to my new shop, and I'm going to start working out of there very soon. So that's going to be really exciting. So anyways, everybody, thanks for following along. If you have been, give me a thumbs up or give me a like or a thumbs down, whatever, you know. But always remember, sanding does really suck, especially when you're out here for 10 hours a day and your arms are ready to fall off. Yeah. Anyways, all right, thanks everybody, take care.